their matchas and coffee.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, taste the layers. Add it up, plus signs, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later.
Just finished doing my makeup. It looks super glowy and bronzy, perfect for the summer. I did also reorganize the desk over here and turned it into a vanity. It used to be full of just random stuff like candles, pretty much just a ton of candles on this desk. And I was like, why not just turn it into a vanity? Because I always do my makeup in front of this small little mirror. I think ever since I set up the vanity, I've been just getting more into makeup and wanting to get new products. And so that's why I picked up some products from Sephora. I will show you guys a little bit of what I picked up. I just picked up 3 things and I really like them so far. First is this Say Beauty Dew Bronze, and I got it in the shade Swim. And I used it in my makeup today and it blends so seamlessly and it looks like I have a tan and it's just super bronzy, so I really love this product. Already 10 out of 10 so far for me. The next thing that I picked up is Tartelette Tubing Mascara, which I did try on. The only thing is it's not waterproof, and I feel like with my eyelashes, only waterproof mascara works well, or else they're just gonna go straight down. So I'm trying to decide if I want to exchange this for a waterproof mascara. But lastly, I picked up Way Hair and Body Mist St. Bart's scent, and it smells so good. I'm gonna spray it on right now on my hair. It went in my nose. This has scents of orange blossom, dragon fruits, and also tuberose and musk, but it smells so good, so fruity, and just smells like summer. So I just wanted to pick it up to have a new scent, and I love it. Just finished our workout. I hit leg day today, and then Jack, I think he did
push day.
Push day?
Yep, some shoulder, chest, and tri action.
Nice. Yeah, it went pretty
Nice
well.
pop.
Now we are at Ranch 99 to pick up some groceries. We want to cook tonight a dish by Cabbage's World. I believe it's a yuzu ponzu marinated chicken thigh dish, which sounds super good. So we're gonna get a few of the ingredients, the marinades, and then we're gonna make it tonight for dinner.
Shout out 99 Ranch for letting us buy 2 individual lychees.
They are out of the bag, so he just wanted to get some.
So just like popped it in the palm.
Oh, really?
Wait for a split.
I just dig my nail.
Oh.
Was that me?
That was me.
That was you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, luckily he was able to convince the workers speaking Kanto.
There we go.
And they let him have it, so... It's not too sour though. It's good. It's around 10 o'clock, so we're super tired. But yeah, we've just been cooking the marinated chicken thighs with some type of teriyaki shoyu sauce, and then we're gonna top it off with some ponzu sauce that we made. Kind of had to substitute some rice vinegar for mirin because we don't have any more mirin. I think it still tastes pretty good. It's very citrusy, and it'll pair very well with the savory, salty teriyaki chicken. I like the ponzu. The ponzu makes it very citrusy. It's good. Good morning, guys. I woke up a little bit late today because I wanted to sleep in. It is Sunday, so of course, I feel like every Sunday I wake up really late, around 10:30. That's pretty late for me. I started off my day with typical self-care, and I also read a bit of my book. I'm reading Reminders of Him by Colleen Hoover, and I am hooked in. I'm almost done, which is good because I do have to return the book in 2 days. But something about Colleen Hoover's books just always hook me in to the point where I can't stop reading it. So I've done a pretty good job spacing out reading times throughout the past 2 weeks. Just reading about like an hour and a half per day. I'm trying to find a good vanilla syrup brand, and I may try Alfred's. Alfred's coffee vanilla syrup is very popular. If you live in LA or California, you might have heard of that, but I kind of want to try it in my matchas. See how it compares to maple syrup, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna sip on my matcha, finish it up. I'm gonna pack a little bit because I'm gonna head over to Jack's apartment because we're gonna go study and just edit a bit. And I also have to bring his meal prep stuff because he left them at my house, so I just need to give them to him so we can get started on that. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. Let me set you guys down. But super cute. It is the skirt that I got from Motel Rocks the other day, and then the asymmetrical brown top from Urban Outfitters. Thought I'd pair it with these sunglasses from Urban Outfitters as well. I've been wearing the key sunglasses that I picked up in Austin, but I feel like these kind of match the vibe of what I'm wearing. Just a tortoiseshell, like round circular sunglasses frame. So cute. I don't even know if we're doing anything, but you know what? I just wanted to dress up, have some fun with the fashion today. at La La Land, and this place is known for their matchas and coffees. So good. So cute. I got the perfect latte. This comes with bell milk and matcha and a secret sauce, and the worker told us it's caramel and maple syrup tasting notes, so that should be good. What did you get, Priscilla?
I got the Lala latte, and it comes with matcha and bell milk and a classic cloud, and the cloud is like vanilla mousse.
Wow, looks so good. Okay, let's try it.
I like to drink mine with the straw.
Oh yes.
I gotta mix it.
I feel like I should mix it too. Okay, your thoughts?
So good. It's really good. I like mine very like milky, so mine it's good. How's yours?
Yeah, I can taste that secret sauce.
Is it really?
A little bit.
You wanna try mine?
Here, try my Priscilla's. Kind of similar.
Can't really taste the difference.
Yeah. Yours is sweeter.
Thoughts?
I like it.
Rating?
I think the matcha flavor could be a little bit stronger because I like strong matcha flavor.
I like the like milk.
But the milk
It
is
just
good.
tastes
It's
like
sweet.
milk.
Yeah, it does. Kind of. What would you rate it out of 5?
Honestly, it was low-key better the first time I had it. So I feel like I would rate this like a 3.75
Yeah, I
out
was
of
about
5.
to say 3.5 just because it's kind of milky.
It's good though.
It's all right. We tried.
Nice ambiance here
Yes.
too. So
We love the inside.
why is there like a little
Ready to
I'm
run.
dead, so I feel like I gotta wear a hat. So
You don't look dead. What was that like? She did it. She's
that was
doing
my first
so
5K
good.
in
Yeah.
like maybe 10 years.
Oh my gosh, that's an accomplishment.
It hurt really bad. I started off too strong because I was trying to keep up with Francis, and then I cramped like the second mile. I had to like walk some of it because I was cramping. But then third mile, I was like, I'm gonna run the whole thing, so I ran the whole third mile.
Wow,
Which is
good.
big for me. I did it in 38 minutes.
And for you, not even running, she's a swimmer, guys.
So are you.
I've been swimming 6 years.
Oh my gosh, it was so hard. I was in a lot of pain.
Yeah, we just drank matcha, so we were so full of liquid.
I could feel the liquid like bouncing in my stomach.
Same.
But it was
Overall,
good.
Very good.
It was good. I feel
good now.
I feel like good
Even
about
though it's
myself.
yeah, we did that. And next is a 10K.
Nope.
No. Oh my god.
Not for
Good
me.
Just wanted to say thank you so much to Priscilla's mom for cooking a delicious dinner. And we also ended up watching Incredibles 4 to end the night. And am I the only one who hasn't watched this because it was my first time, but I loved it? Anyways, so the past few days after spending time with Priscilla has just reminded me that as much as I do love spending time alone and with myself, I can't neglect the part of me that loves being social, loves being surrounded by others, and loves finding joy in the simple things in life. It's times like these where I feel most like myself and where I can feel my inner child healing itself. And these moments are the ones I will hold on to the most.